In this video, we'll show you how to transfer notes from Samsung Notes to Google Keep. So to get started, first open the Samsung Notes app. Now locate the note that you want to transfer and long press on it. Now here tap on the share option at the bottom. Now you'll get several options. If it's a text only note, simply select text file. And then you will need to select Google Keep from the list. If you don't see it, simply swipe horizontally to find Google Keep and then tap on it. Now it will ask you which account that you want to use to save the note if you have multiple accounts. So simply select your account from here and then tap on save. Now tap on view and you will be able to view your Samsung Note in the Google Keep app. Similarly, if it's a note with an image, you can simply long press on it, tap share and then select image file. Now again select Google Keep Notes from here and then select save. So as you can see, the note is now transferred in the Google Keep app. You can also open Google Keep directly and then view your transferred notes. Note that you won't be able to transfer a bunch of notes at once. So if you select multiple notes and then tap on the share icon, you won't see the Google Keep app on the list. So you'll have to transfer your notes one by one. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.